A lightning fatality was recently reported in Samfya district where a 16-year-old girl lost her life. Tragically, another lightning strike in Samfya has caused significant destruction to a family, leaving them with nothing. The strike ignited their house, reducing all their belongings to ashes. Everything was lost in the fire, including farming inputs, clothing, school uniforms for the children, and money. The family's livelihood comes from farming, but nothing was spared in the fire. This has severely disrupted our farming, as everything was destroyed by the lightning-induced fire. The 8-member family is now living in a doghouse as they await assistance from well-wishers. We are struggling to provide for our children. All we ask for now is a tent and food to help sustain us during this difficult time. They are grateful that no one was injured, as they were outside at the time and witnessed the lightning strike before the fire erupted. Kalombe Kapambwe, Diamond News.